How to make a story on TikTok. To get started, first of all, open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. From this page, tap on the plus icon just below the profile icon. It will take you to your camera roll. From here, you can select photos and videos. Now, select your favorite video for the story. On this page, you can edit your story as you like, using the edit options on the right side of the screen. Once you are done, tap on the Your Story button at the bottom of your screen to put the video as your TikTok story. Once the story has been uploaded successfully, you can just tap on the profile icon to view the TikTok story. You can also see the viewers at the bottom and can save the story to your camera roll. Close the tab and get back to your profile page. So by following these steps, you can easily make a story on TikTok.